How to rewire your negative thinking with dating and women. Hey there, it's Anna. In the journey of dating and relationships, it's easy to get caught up in a cycle of negative thinking, especially after a few rough experiences. But what if I told you that changing your mindset could dramatically change your dating life? Today, we're going to tackle exactly that, how to rewire your negative thinking when it comes to dating and women. It's not just about putting on a happy face, it's about fundamentally transforming the way that you perceive yourself, potential partners, and the dating process itself. In this video, we will introduce practical strategies and positive psychology techniques designed to shift your mindset from doubt to confidence, from fear to openness. Ready to transform your dating experiences and open the door to more meaningful connections? Let's get started on this journey together. Identifying negative thought patterns. The first step in transforming how you think about dating and women is to recognize and identify the negative thought patterns that hold you back. These patterns, often rooted in past experiences or societal messages, can significantly impact your confidence and approach to relationships. Common negative thinking styles include catastrophizing, expecting the worst outcome, overgeneralizing, believing a single event applies to all future situations, and mind reading, assuming you know what women are thinking without evidence. To begin the process of rewiring your thoughts, it's crucial to become aware of these patterns as they occur. Pay attention to moments when you are quick to assume rejection, feel unworthy of attention, or believe that all interactions are bound to fail. These are indicators of underlying negative thought patterns. Identifying these patterns requires mindfulness and honesty with yourself. It involves pausing to reflect on your thoughts, questioning their validity, and recognizing that they are not facts but perceptions shaped by your past experiences. By becoming aware of these negative thought patterns, you lay the foundational step towards challenging and changing them, opening up a new perspective on dating and women that is based on positivity and self-belief. Fostering self-compassion. A vital aspect of rewiring negative thinking in dating and interactions with women is fostering self-compassion. This means learning to treat yourself with the same kindness, understanding, and patience that you would offer a good friend. The dating process can be fraught with rejection, misunderstandings, and setbacks. It's during these times that self-compassion becomes crucial. Self-compassion involves acknowledging your feelings without judgment. Understanding that experiences of doubt and rejection are universal and not indicative of personal failure. It's about recognizing that one's worth is not tied to dating successes or failures. Practicing self-compassion allows you to navigate the ups and downs of dating with a grounded sense of self-worth and resilience. To foster self-compassion, start by noticing when you are being self-critical and actively counter those thoughts with kindness. Remind yourself that everyone faces challenges in dating and it's okay to be imperfect. Engage in self-care practices that reinforce your value and well-being outside of your dating life. This can include pursuing hobbies, spending time with loved ones, or simply allowing yourself moments of rest and reflection. By cultivating self-compassion, you create a supportive internal environment that enhances your confidence and openness in dating, making you more resilient against the inevitable challenges that arise. Mindfulness in dating. Incorporating mindfulness into dating can significantly alter your approach and experience, helping you to stay present and reduce anxiety in social and dating situations. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully engaged in the present moment, without overthinking past encounters or worrying about future possibilities. It allows you to truly connect with your date or partner, appreciating the experience for what it is, free from constraints of negative thinking. To practice mindfulness in dating, focus on grounding yourself in the here and now during social interactions. Pay attention to your senses, what you see, hear, and feel, rather than getting lost in a whirlwind of anxious thoughts about what might go wrong or right. This presence can help ease the pressure and anxiety often associated with dating, allowing for more authentic and enjoyable connections. Additionally, mindfulness helps in recognizing and accepting your feelings without judgment. If you are feeling nervous, acknowledge it as a normal reaction rather than a sign of inadequacy. By accepting your emotions, you can approach dating situations with a calmer, more balanced perspective. Practicing mindfulness also involves letting go of harsh self-criticism and unrealistic expectations. It encourages a kinder, more compassionate attitude towards yourself, fostering a sense of confidence and well-being that is inherently attractive. Reframing rejection. Reframing rejection is a powerful method for transforming your dating mindset. mindset. Instead of viewing rejection as a personal failure or a reflection of your worth, shift your perspective to see it as an essential step towards finding the right match. This change in viewpoint is crucial for maintaining a positive outlook and resilience in the face of dating challenges. Rejection, in its essence, is not a judgment of your character or desirability, but rather an indication of incompatibility. It's a natural part of the dating process where both parties are assessing their fit with each other. By reframing rejection as a filtering process, you can appreciate it as a means of guiding you away from mismatched connections and closer to someone with whom you share mutual interest and compatibility. So, to adopt this mindset, start by acknowledging the feelings that come with rejection, then consciously choose to view it as an opportunity for growth and learning. Ask yourself what insights can be gleaned from the experience and how it can inform your approach moving forward. Embracing rejection as a positive force can liberate you from the fear of being turned down, encouraging you to take chances and open yourself to new possibilities. This approach not only improves your resilience, but also enhances your attractiveness by fostering an attitude of confidence and optimism. Affirmations for confidence. Affirmations are powerful tools for reinforcing self-esteem and fostering positive thinking, particularly in the context of dating and relationships. By creating and regularly using affirmations, you can shift your internal dialogue from one of doubt and negativity to one of confidence and optimism. These affirmations are positive, present tense statements that directly counteract negative beliefs and reinforce your sense of self-worth and capability. To effectively use affirmations for confidence in dating, start by identifying areas where you seek improvement or where negative thoughts frequently arise. Craft affirmations that address these specific concerns, focusing on the positive outcomes you wish to manifest. For example, if you often feel insecure about your desirability, an affirmation might be, "I am worthy of love and attraction just as I am." Incorporate these affirmations into your daily routine, repeating them to yourself each morning during moments of doubt or before social interactions. The repetition is key to embedding these positive beliefs into your subconscious, gradually transforming your mindset. Affirmations work by breaking the cycle of negative self-talk and replacing it with empowering thoughts that boost your confidence and outlook on dating. This practice can help you approach dating with a stronger, more positive self-image, enhancing your attractiveness and readiness for healthy relationships. Celebrating small victories. In the journey toward rewiring negative thinking in dating and interactions with women, recognizing and celebrating small victories is crucial. This practice fosters a sense of progress and momentum, encouraging you to continue making efforts towards positive changes. Small victories can range from successfully initiating a conversation with someone you are interested in to simply going through a social event without succumbing to negative self-talk. Celebrating these moments involves acknowledging your efforts in growth, no matter how minor they may seem. It's about shifting focus from what's lacking to what's being achieved, reinforcing the positive steps you are taking. This shift in perspective is essential for building self-esteem and confidence, as it highlights your capability and resilience. To effectively celebrate small victories, set aside time to reflect on your progress regularly. Recognize specific instances where you managed to overcome a negative thought or took a brave step in your dating life. Share these accomplishments with friends or loved ones who support your journey, or keep a personal journey to document these moments. Embracing and celebrating each success, no matter the size, cultivates a positive mindset that is attractive and conducive to healthy relationships. It reminds you that progress, not perfection, is the goal, and every step forward is worth acknowledgement. Cultivating a growth mindset. Cultivating a growth mindset is about embracing growth and learning opportunities in every dating experience, whether successful or not. This perspective views challenges and setbacks not as failure, but as valuable lessons that contribute to personal development. Adopting a growth mindset in dating means recognizing that each interaction, each connection, and each ending is a chance to learn more about yourself, what you desire in a partner, and how to be a better partner in future relationships. Embracing this mindset encourages resilience and perseverance, qualities that are essential in navigating the complexities of dating and relationships. It shifts the focus from seeking immediate success or validation to valuing personal growth and self-improvement. This approach fosters a more positive and open attitude toward dating, reducing the fear of rejection or failure because each is seen as an opportunity to evolve. To cultivate a growth mindset, actively reflect on your dating experiences, asking yourself what you learned learned from each situation and how it can inform your future choices. Celebrate the effort and courage it takes to put yourself out there regardless of the outcome. Adopting a growth mindset enhances your attractiveness by demonstrating that you are someone committed to personal development and capable of handling life's ups and downs with grace and optimism. So now that you are set on the right path, what's next for you? Discover the signs that women think you are good looking, or learn how girls hide the fact they are checking you out. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more.